Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood with another lecture of vocabulary building. These are the high frequency words which are used in GET test. So let's see what are the words. The first word is abate. Abate means to become less in amount or intensity. Both. Choose both ways. The storm suddenly abated, became less intense. Nothing abated his enthusiastic zeal. Nothing can lessen his zeal. This is what abate means. The second word is abbreviate. Abbreviate means to shorten, like UNO. It is an abbreviation of United Nation Organization. So UNO is abbreviated for United Nation Organization. We cannot use this long word, so we use an abbreviation of this long word. Abbreviate means to shorten some word. Next word is abduct and abound. Abduct means take away to an undisclosed location against someone's will or against their will. It is also alternately used with kidnap. Although kidnap is used for persons and abduct is used for things, but abduct has also been used for persons also. To take someone somewhere forcefully for the sake of taking some benefit from that person or for ransom sake. The millionaire was abducted. The hijackers abducted Air India plane. Abound means exist abundance. It also means abundance or existing in large quantities. Rumors of his corruption abound in the society. So these are the words which are explained. Now, abstract and irrate. Abstract means which has no physical existence, which exists only in mind. Like abstract idea, we also say wisdom, beauty. These are the abstract things. The novel is too abstract to believe in. The story, which has been narrated in that novel, uh, is not somewhat concrete, and we cannot find these kind of event which has been explained in that story in our society. Aerate mean to fill, to combine or supply with oxygen. Aerate. He is well aerated in the hospital because of the disease. He was feeling shortness of oxygen. The aeroplane cabins are well aerated. Alacrity and altruism. Alacrity means liveliness or eagerness. The passion to do something is eagerness. Liveliness means always in a happy mood. He accepted my invitation with alacrity. Altruism means selflessness, to do something with zeal and zest without thinking one's own benefit while doing something. This is altruism, to serve other selflessly, the quality of unselfish concerns for the welfare of others. ED was a symbol of altruism in serving the people. Ancillary. Ancillary which has been offered to you beside the original one, which has been given as a gift or which is attached with some other things. Furnishing added support. And remain furnishing added support. The university provides undergraduate courses of 3 subjects with ancillary. Means beside these subjects, they are also offering some other subjects with these subjects as a and added sport. Plus, appliance, electrical appliance you have seen in your home, like fridge, television, meter, uh, this water dispenser. Elect- electrical electric appliance have made the life easy. A device or tool that is very useful for a particular job. Water dispenser cools the water for you. Refrigerator keep your uh, stuff and their taste intact. Arctic. Arctic means extremely cold. The word has been taken from Arctic side of the globe where it is extreme cold. So it means cold or extremely cold generally brought Arctic condition in Islamabad. Artifact and artifact, both with I and E, same meanings. Spelling may be different. A man-made object. Artifact is a man-made object. Many artifacts can be seen at Texla Museum, like Buddha's statues and other things which we always find in the excavations from an old sites, from an ancient sites. Asylum, ever. Asylum means a shelter from danger or hardship. If I have been in danger in this country, I may apply for asylum to another country. And if they think it proper, they may give me a refugee status or they give me a visa to keep me safe from the danger which I'm feeling in my country. He applied for asylum and was granted refugee status. Ever mean to affirm, to declare something true, declare or affirm as solemnly and formally true something he averred that he was innocent of the charges. He's been called in the court of law and he declared on oath that he is innocent. Ever mean to declare something true on oath. Ballotomane and bawdy. Ballotomane, the word has been made from a ballet, a person who is enthusiast, who has a strong passion for this type of dance, ballet. He's a long-time balletomane and patron of arts. Ballet is a kind of dance in which body movements have been shown. Bawdy, humorously vulgar or simple vulgar. After a drink, they all were singing Bawdy songs. Bawdy mean vulgar. Bellwether and bibliography. Bellwether, someone who assumes the leadership of a movement or an activity. Some leader, some patron. He's a bellwether of fashion. He's a patron of fashion or a leader in the industry of fashion. Bibliography means a list of writing with the time and place of publications. He provided bibliography of books and writers in appendix of his books. You may have seen, observed in your books, at the end of the book, the writer gives the name of the books as well as the writer from which he has benefited or uh, has given references from these books. This is the bibliography, a list of books. Bibliography simply means a list of books. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here with other uh, high frequency words. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe the channel